Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cesar. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and like this video. And today we're going to talk about how to build a website for free in under 10 minutes. And so we're going to use the GetResponse platform and utilize that to build a website in under 10 minutes. So let's dive into it. Okay, guys, let's do this. We're now here in my GetResponse dashboard and we're going to click here in this little menu and you can see this website builder feature and we're going to click here. So what am I going to do right now is build a website in under 10 minutes and you can see this is very simple and very easy. And remember that a well-designed website makes you look professional, and some statistics show that pre-COVID studies show that 70 to 80% of people who want to buy online do a company research before they buy from them. And so we have these two options to build our website. We can use a ready-made template or an AI power builder. For this video, we're going to click here in the ready-made template and you can see that we have here a lot of options. You can see in the screen. And this is why I like GetResponse, because it's very beginner friendly. You can see we have a lot of options. For example, if we need to build a website for e-commerce, educational, entertainment, landing page, launch page, membership, and a lot of options. But we're going to click here in this. We're going to use these templates. Okay, guys, this website has 5 pages: home, service, pricing, FAQs, and contact. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can put here your logo, you can add your title, your call to actions, your pictures, your stats, your ideas, and much more. But for an easy navigation between pages, you click here. If I need to edit the service page, I click here in service, and I'm in the service page. If I need to edit pricing, FAQs, or contact, I click here in contact and I can edit the contact page. Okay, but what happens if I need to add one more page? I click here in manage pages and add one page. I click here and you can see that GetResponse is going to give us a lot of options. For example, I can add a product page, an offer page, pricing page. I can add an about page. You can see in the screen, members only, menu page. But for this video, we're going to add an about page and we only need to click here in about. And so GetResponse GetResponse put here the new page, but we're going to put the name about us. But what happens if I need to change the order? We only need to drag and drop. We're going to put in the second place. We're going to expand this to look very clean, and we have home, about us, service, pricing, FAQs, and contact. Okay, but what happens if I need to, I'm here in the about us page, but we're going to go to home, and remember that the website is the center of all your marketing activities and you need to be collecting leads. And how do I collect leads? Very simple. I click here in add elements and you can see I can add a form in the home page and I just drag and drop and I have these options, but name, email, phone, message, I just want to collect name and email, and I just click here and I have the form page in the home page. Okay, and you can add, for example, a new section, buttons, image, your social media, Here you can add custom code, galleries, timers, pop-up, and login registration. Okay, so what am I gonna do right now is how to optimize for SEO this website. You need to go to every settings, and you can see in the screen you can change here the URL slow, and you click here in SEO. You need to name the page title and the page description, and on the search engines should show this page in search results marked as index. And you need to do this for every page. For the About Us page, you go to SEO, you put the name page and the page description, and for every page you put the SEO. So we're going to click here to connect a domain, and you're going to see that Get Response give us these options. We can use the free Get Response domain, for example, booksgetresponsewebsite.com or booksgrwebsite.com. This is grweb.site. Or we can buy a domain name, or we can connect a domain we own. We're going to publish. And you can see that Get Response gives us the performance, the page views, the visit, the unique visitors, devices, the location of the visits, click trackings, and form and pop-ups. And also, Get Response gives us the statistics for every page we have in our website. So we're going to go to websites, because I want to show you a lot of features. This is the website, and we're going to click here in Edit Site Settings, because if you're wondering how to put your Google Analytics, you can see at the screen we have here the Analytics and integrations, and we only need to put our Google Analytics ID, and we are ready to rock and roll. We can put also Get Response chats to enable a chat online in our website. And this is very cool. This is the Get Response website builder, and if you want to have a 30-day free trial, you can click the link in the description of this video, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.